బాడీ ఇగో కదా
దాన్ని నేను ఒక దగ్గర చెప్పినప్పుడు పాస్ చేసేసాను. ఒక దగ్గర పాస్ చేసి
ఎస్
Okay.
My dear students, good morning to everybody. Today I am going to discuss about coagulation or fractionation or precipitation. Kindly listen to me what I am telling. You know pretty well what is lyophilic colloid, what is lyophobic colloid. Lyophilic colloid means solvent loving, that is starch solution, that is gum solution, that is protein solution. ఇవన్నీ కూడా they are all solutions having greater affinity with solvent. Solvent means water. Lyophilic. Some people say lyo, some people say leo. Okay, no problem. Lyophilic colloid means lyo means solvent, that is water. Philic means loving. So lyophilic means solvent loving. Oh, that is ఏమేంటివి starch, gum తర్వాత protein solution. Starch solution, gum solution, protein solution. These are all here dispersive phase, dispersive medium have greater affinity. That is called lyophilic colloid solution. Okay. Solvent loving. At the same time another one is lyophobic. Solvent hating. Gold soap or ferric hydroxide solution కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చు. So gold soap is nothing but solvent hating. This is nothing but lyophobic. Leo means solvent, phobic means hatred, dvesham. So lyophobic, solvent hating. Example what I am taking, gold soap, bangarapu powder, gold powder, mix small particles of gold added with water, that is nothing but gold soap. This is most stable. What it is? Lyophilic solution is most stable. They do not disturb at any cost. So even though you add electrolyte, no question of any aggregation. So most stable. Lyophilic colloid most stable. Either starch solution or gum solution or protein solution. But in case of lyophobic colloid, that is solvent hated colloid, unstable. This is unstable. This what I am telling you, what my ambition is, I want to convert lyophobic colloid into precipitate. That is nothing but coagulation. Conversion of lyophobic colloid by adding electrolyte is called coagulation or fluctuation or precipitation. ఒక లియోఫోబిక్ కొలాయిడ్ ని ఒక ఎలక్ట్రోలైట్ కలిపడం ద్వారా ఏంగా మారుస్తున్నాం, అవక్షేపంగా మారుస్తున్నాం, ప్రెసిపిటేట్ గా మారుస్తున్నాం. ఈ చర్యను ఏమంటామంటే మనం కోయాగులేషన్ అంటాం. సో ఇక్కడ హియర్ ఎలక్ట్రోలైట్ కలుపుతున్నాం. 1 ml NaCl. 1 ml NaCl means 10% NaCl. You have to prepare 10% NaCl. Total 100 you take it. 10% so 10 grams solute, that is nothing but NaCl. సో టోటల్ వచ్చి 100. అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 100 10 ml or 10 grams should be sodium chloride. Okay. అందులో నుంచి we have to take 1 ml. 1 ml NaCl adding to the gold salt. You have to add 1 ml NaCl to the gold salt. That is lithophobic colloid. Am I correct? Yes, sir. 1 ml electrolyte, 1 ml NaCl from 10% NaCl solution నుంచి మనం కలుపుతున్నప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? అగ్రిగేట్. ముద్దలుగా అగ్రిగేట్. This is nothing but coagulation. What is that? Coagulation. Lactation or precipitation. So generally గా మనం ఒక మిల్లీలీటర్ NaCl మనం లియోఫోబిక్ కొలాయిడ్ ఒక లీటర్ ఉందనుకున్నట్లయితే 1 లీటర్ లియోఫోబిక్ కొలాయిడ్ ఏం కలుపుతున్నాం? 1 ml NaCl కలుపుతున్నాం. What we are going to get? Precipitation. Conversion of 1 liter lithophobic colloid solution by adding 1 ml NaCl into precipitation. That is called coagulation. That is called lactation. That is called precipitation. That amount which you are going to add is called coagulation value. This is called coagulation or lactation value. ఎంత అమౌంట్ లో కలుపుతావో దాన్ని ఏమంటామంటే ఎంత అమౌంట్ లో ఎలక్ట్రోలైట్ కలుపుతున్నావో అని ప్రెసిపిటేట్ గా మార్చాలంటే మామూలుగా మారదు కదా. we are going to add electrolyte. The amount is nothing but coagulation value or lactation value. So again repeating, I am once again, by adding 1 ml NaCl from 10% NaCl. Am I correct? I am adding 1 ml NaCl to the 1 liter of lithophobic colloid solution to convert precipitate. Is called coagulation or lactation or precipitation. The amount which we are going to add, the amount of electrolyte which you are going to add is nothing but coagulation value or lactation.